Welcome to Natural Remedies, your go-to source for natural health and wellness. Today we're focusing on one of nature's most powerful and ancient superfoods, cacao. This isn't just the base ingredient of your favorite chocolate treats, it's a healing powerhouse that's been used for centuries. Get ready to discover how cacao can benefit your mind, body and soul. Let's unveil the incredible healing potential of cacao. When you think of cacao, you probably imagine chocolate bars or hot cocoa. But cacao, in its purest form, is far more than just a sweet indulgence. It's packed with antioxidants, essential minerals, and mood-enhancing compounds that make it a natural healer. Let's take a closer look at how this superfood can improve your health. Boosts heart health. Cacao is rich in flavonoids, which help improve blood flow, reduce inflammation, and lower blood pressure. Studies have shown that regular consumption of cacao can reduce the risk of heart disease. Simply add raw cacao powder to your morning smoothie for a heart-healthy start to your day. Enhances mood and reduces stress. Cacao contains serotonin and tryptophan, both known to lift your mood and reduce anxiety. Plus, it has anandamide, often called the bliss molecule, which helps you feel happier and more relaxed. Supports brain function. The antioxidants in cacao can improve cognitive function by boosting blood flow to the brain. This superfood may help protect against neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Drinking a cup of hot cacao or using raw cacao in your cooking can keep your brain sharp. Promotes healthy skin. Packed with vitamins and minerals, cacao supports skin regeneration and hydration. It can even help reduce wrinkles and fine lines by promoting collagen production. For glowing skin, consider making a cacao face mask with raw cacao, honey and coconut oil. Natural energy boost. Cacao contains theobromine, a natural stimulant similar to caffeine but without the jittery side effects. It's perfect for enhancing focus and energy levels throughout the day. Try a homemade cacao energy ball. Mix cacao powder with dates, nuts, and a dash of vanilla for a natural pick-me-up. Cacao truly is a versatile superfood, offering a range of benefits from boosting your heart health to improving your skin. Whether you sprinkle it on your lunch, blend it into smoothies, or enjoy it as a natural energy snack, cacao can become a staple in your natural healing routine. For more tips on enhancing your wellness naturally, be sure to click the like and subscribe button so you never miss an update on how to live a healthier, happier life. Thank you for watching our short film and stay healthy. Natural Remedies, Cheshire.